Hi, I'm Dr. Siegel with Natural Transplants. I'm here with Tim, and Tim is about to go ahead and have his first hair transplant. Tim, what got you interested in getting a hair transplant?
I just want to have long hair again. I've always had it and shaved it once I started losing it in the crowning area, and I just want it back.
So, Tim actually came in to reinforce a little bit in the frontal area, but mostly because, as you'll see in the pictures, to go ahead and fill in his crown. We've already gone ahead and drawn out what we're going to be working on, so he's ready to go into the procedure room and get started. Any questions or concerns before we move into the procedure room?
I'm fine, I'm ready to rock and roll.
We're going to be listening to AC/DC and a little bit more rock and roll during the procedure, and watch whatever movies he wants to, and we'll catch up with you in a little.
Bye.
Here we are with Tim. So we've gone ahead and sutured Tim up. We have also gone ahead and made our incision points. Tim, how has your day been so far?
Excuse me.
Mouthful.
No, it was great. Really. On a scale of 1 to 10, maybe a 2 or 3 max. I mean, just very comfortable the whole time.
So Tim actually had the anesthesia. He was a superstar with that. We made a great incision site. We got a bunch of hair, 30 centimeter strips, and we then went ahead and sutured him up, and we made incisions in both his crown and his frontal area. So that was our main area of work, and we didn't have to work in the vertex, but we packed the crown as solid as we could, which you'll see pictures in just a little bit, and we'll keep on following through. In the meantime, we have all taken a break. He and his wife are going ahead and having some lunch, and we'll keep on monitoring him. Any suggestions so far?
Do it. If you have any doubts, forget about it. Just do it.
Thanks so much. Hi there, I'm Dr. Siegel. Now we've just completed up with Tim, and Tim, how was your day?
It's great. Awesome. Can't tell you. Very little, if any, pain at all.
So with Tim, we went ahead and did the frontal area, as you'll see in the pictures, and also the crown. We moved an extensive amount of hair, taking out a great strip of hair. Any pain, any discomfort during the day?
None really. Nothing to write home about, that's for sure. I just the needles at the beginning was slight pain, very slight, and then after that, couldn't feel a thing. You just felt a sensation of pressure. And that was it.
We pretty much listened to music. We watched a movie, and 2 movies actually, and it's been a great day. So Tim, I thank you very much. I look forward to seeing the growth, and we'll watch him progress over the year, and I'll give you a call. I'll see you in 2 weeks to get the sutures removed.
Great. I appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank you.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.